Hello, boys and girls. Welcome back with the third puzzle. In not today's newspaper, no, it's the newspaper of Tuesday, July the 13th, and today it's Sunday, July the 18th. And in the newspaper of Saturday, there are no extra Sudokus, no additional. So I've decided to solve this edition of Tuesday. The binary puzzle. Binary puzzle number 2. And this one will be a number. Let me see which number it will be. 3116. Oh, alright. 3116. What kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count the boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's an 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a column or in a row, there are always 4 ones and 4 O's. Alright, so let's get started. Double O, here 1, there 1. Now we have 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Okay. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Now we have 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. Now we have 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Alright. Double O, here 1, there 1. Here we have 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Between 2 ones comes an O. Now we have 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Between 2 ones comes an O. Then 1, 2, 3, 3 O's. Am I stuck? Well. This row and the last row. Let me compare. 1 1 1 1 empty box 1 1. So we need to switch those 2 digits. Here we have a O, this should be a 1. Here we have a 1, this should be an O. Alright, 4 O's we have, so the rest are 1s. Okay. Then do we need to compare again? I need to compare the double 1 here. Interesting. Well, if I compare this column and that column, 1 1 0 0 1 1 1 1 0 0. Okay. So far, it's the same, but those 3 boxes are not the same. Oh, wait. Stupid. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 1. So the rest are O's, of course. Then I can compare. It's almost the same, but only those 2 digits are switched. So we need to switch those digits. Here we have an O, this should be a 1. Here we have a 1, this should be an O. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. So the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double O, here 1, there 1. 4 1, so the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 1, so the rest are O's. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Now we 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones, so the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Finish in 5 minutes. All right, great binary. I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you later with the last puzzle of the Tuesday edition. It will be a tectonic one. Tectonic with 1 star. See you then. Bye bye for now.